Hi, lovers of realistic miniatures, soap bubbles and curlers, shoes and a baseball cap, a purse and a wonderful playpen. Let's see how it's done. In a shiny circle, we cut out the middle, keeping the shape of the circle. We insert a rose into the hole, fix it, and cut off the excess. For the strength of the flower, we cover the sections with a layer of glue. We make a round purse. We attach the green sidewall and cut the excess width off. We add a round wall of foam paper. We carefully cut from the top and attach 2 gold rings for the handle on the sides. We attach the chain and clamp it at the ends tightly. The doll's handbag goes well with the color of the dress. We put a comb, a bracelet, and cosmetics in it. Everything you need is perfectly included. We glue 2 large circles of blue foam paper. We attach a side made of a rigid mesh to the finished bottom. We glue the circular one to the end and fasten the side sections carefully. Done! We make colorful balls out of pieces of bright plasticine and put them into a pretty doll's playpen. The miniature balls are very realistic. There are so many of them, countless. An LOL baby has a lot of fun playing in the arena. We cut off the tip of the balloon and put it on the doll's head. We apply a thick layer of hot glue over the rubber cap. We put a beautiful thin fabric on top, press it well, and fasten it with rubber bands. When the glue hardens, we remove the rubber bands and beautifully align the shape along the bottom edge. Then we glue a large visor, cover it with a colorless varnish, and generously sprinkle it with sequins. We attach a sticker with a cat. The miniature baseball cap is done. Barbie is delighted with the cap. We put a yellow elastic band for hair on an elegant doll's leg. We apply a layer of glue and fasten the sole of foam paper. We trim it along the contour and decorate it with large rhinestones. It is easy to run on the green grass in comfortable shoes. They're pretty, aren't they? In the blanks of foam paper and paper, we pierce 3 holes carefully. We insert gold rings into them and clamp them well. We get a real notebook. We decorate the cover with a sticker. We disassemble the transparent ballpoint pens and cut off part of the case carefully. We make smooth bottoms from hot glue. First, we twist the thin wire in half. Then we form a ring and twist the tips again. We cut off the rod of a cotton swab and insert the finished ring inside. We select the lid and attach the finished part to it. We bite off the excess. We fill the bottles with a soap solution. Barbie took soap bubbles and wants to blow them. They are magical. They are miniature and shimmer with all the colors of the rainbow. We cut off the cylinders from the plastic ampules. We select pairs matching the size. We paint it with varnish inside and out. We sprinkle large halves of curlers with sequins and cut them. We pack ready-made curlers in a box and add a sticker. Barbie is in a beauty salon doing her hair on miniature curlers. They are quite realistic, convenient to spin, and even snap. What happened? Where does the green paint come from? It's just a dream. We spin curlers and then remove them. The curlers are wonderful. Barbie is happy. We bend the doll's insole. We glue the silver paper and cut it out along the contour. We apply the workpiece to Barbie's leg and make silver jumpers. We apply glue to the end of the sole and glue a sheet of silver cardboard in a circle. We fix it on the heel. We carefully cut off the excess material from above. We align the bottom of the platform. We make the lower sole of the sandals and cut them again. We try silver clogs on. They are exactly the size of the doll's leg. We cut off a finger from the shower glove. We cut out a part for a new handbag from it. We fix the mini zipper. Then we glue the side and add a sticker with Kitty. What should I put? Phone and pencils. Great! The doll's clutch bag is divine, very stylish. We choose the appropriate cones. We pierce a hole in the lid. We cover the lid with yellow varnish. We straighten the paper clip, make an incision, and remove the colored tube carefully. We insert straws into the bottles. We fill the containers with water and close them. For hot weather, Barbie has a sun cap and a miniature water bottle.